Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Vinay Bansal. I am a life coach. I have done my MBBS, and I want to thank you all that you have participated today in this session. Like this session, we will be doing meditation. That meditation we call as C2A meditation. That meditation I am practicing and I am teaching many of my participants in different courses, so they all have benefited a lot from this meditation. So first of all, let me start with a quick round of questions, so that I may know, have you, like, first question is, like, have you ever tried any kind of meditation? Like, yes, Shrikant, you have tried. Bhaniji, you have tried. Ritvika, have you tried? You have tried. And Venkatratnam, have you tried any kind of meditation in past? You may type in the chat box, or you can. Yes, okay. You means all have tried some kind of meditation. But like, are you doing it regularly? Are you can you feel like you are always at state of bliss, and you can always uh, in a state of happiness, in a state of satisfaction that meditation brings? No. Okay. So what are the benefits that you think that you can derive from meditation? Like, you can either you can unmute yourself and speak, or you can write in the chat box. We will start from Abhani Kumar. Sir, if you want to speak, you can tell us, like, what is your opinion? Like, what are the different benefits that we can derive from meditation? Sir, we can't listen you. Yes. Sir, please unmute yourself. Yes. Sir, still we are not able to listen you. Can you disconnect your earphones? I think there may be some problem in the mic. And just speak from your phone. Yes.
Sorry, first of all, your BP is totally normal, and
Okay.
throughout the day, you don't go for it to become angry.
Yes.
That is the most beneficial here. And
Yes.
always be in the positive zone. Whether something negative has happened, but you will analyze what is the positivity in this connection. That is the great benefit I have derived.
Right. Thank you so much.
And another thing, sir, I am getting very nice sound sleep.
Yes, definitely. It has very like too many medical good effects are there. Even doctors are recommending meditation these days. Even AIMS, New Delhi, in its different research paper, has advised meditation even for carcinoma patients, even for I think for almost all the diseases. Yes, for hypertension also, high BP. It is having very good effects. And Shrikant, what is your take? And like, you are sitting with whole family, it's a very good thing. Yes, sir.
The reason of sitting with my family is my sister's son. So I used to feel lethargic and still feel that from my BTech days in 2002. He is just a eighth standard now. He is
Okay.
now feeling lethargic. So
Okay.
I did, when I joined the group, I read your book 2020 on Sunday, and yesterday I tried it, and it was good. And coming to the other question, like, did you try? I have many apps in my mobile, like Headspace, all those things. But when we do it, we'll get some little state of relaxation, but it will not continue. So yeah, that is what.
Right. Right. That's my role. Now I will tell you, like, I will tell you how you can reach that state and how to always remain in that state. Yes, Shrikant. We will discuss all those things.
Thank you.
And welcome, Ravind. Can you listen to us? Kindly unmute yourself, and if you can switch on your video. And we are I have put a question to the group, like, what the benefits you think you can derive from the meditation. Yes,
Hello.
Ravind.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Sir, I think the peace of mind, sir. I'm waking up early in the morning.
Yes. Okay. And thank you, Ravind. And Ritvika, what you think?
I think like we can have some peace of mind on the whole day.
Yes.
So I
Peace
just
of mind.
wanted to do, yeah.
Yes.
So that's what I just wanted to try meditation once again.
Yes. Thank you. Okay, Srinivas, can you switch on your video? Okay, and Venkat Ratnam, what is your take? Please unmute yourself. Yes.
It will
Yes,
reduce
please.
stress and control the anxiety.
Yes, thank you. Stress control, anxiety, yes, happiness, and BP control, satisfaction, blissfulness, everything is there in meditation. Or even our forefathers, our saints, they all, our scientists, they all were doing meditations, and there are many benefits of meditation. But still, the challenge is that we don't know how to do meditation, or we know and we are not able to incorporate that habit or that routine in our day-to-day life, isn't it? So today I will be first guiding you through a meditation, C2A meditation, and then we will discuss like what are the effects you have observed from that meditation, and how can you incorporate that meditation in your day-to-day life. Okay, so all are ready? All are excited? Yes? Okay, thank you. So first, think in your mind, like what is the level of blissfulness or the level of satisfaction that you are already having now. On the scale of 1 to 10, if I say like 10 is the level best, like the level of satisfaction, the level of blissfulness, the level of happiness that you ever experienced, the highest level we say 10, and the lowest level, that like the lowest level of happiness, satisfaction is 1. Now think in your mind, analyze like at what level presently you are, like you are level 7 or you are level 10, means the highest level of blissfulness, satisfaction you are experiencing. Can you get me? Like decide what is your level presently, and we will compare that after doing this meditation. Okay, so I will be guiding you through this meditation session. It will be this meditation would be around 25 to 30 minutes, and during this meditation we will be keeping our eyes closed. I will be guiding you through the meditation. First, let me summarize what the steps would be. The first step would be that I will be telling you to do Bhastrika. Bhastrika is a pranayam. Okay, in what we do in Bhastrika, we keep our fists or hands near our shoulders in this way. Okay, and when we breathe in, these goes up and the fingers are open. When we go up, the fingers are open and straight while breathing in, and while breathing out, we again come down at this level. Our elbows are touching our chest and the fist come at this level. Like I will sit in, then you will go up, then I will say some number or alphabet, you will come down. Like I will say in A, in B, in C. Okay, clear? Like in first round, we will do 26 sets. Like we will do it 26 times. I will count A to Z, A, B, C, D, E in that way. And then we will take some rest. And after that, I will, in second round, I will count reverse from 26 to 1. Like I will say in 26, in 25. Okay, you have to do this with your eyes closed. These will be 2 rounds of Bhastrika. And then next I will tell you to contract all your muscles starting from your forehead. I will guide you, like you have to contract your muscles like in this way, and you have to contract all your muscles of eyelids, your face muscles, your you have to close your fists. I will say to contract all muscles, then relax all muscles. We will do 3 rounds of such contraction and relaxation, and then I will tell you to visualize English alphabet C, capital C. You have to visualize with your eyes closed, like there is some C at this level, little bit higher than your eye level. Like say it is 30 degrees above your eyes. Like at this level, you have to imagine a capital C letter. And then I will tell you, like you have to relax your body at that C level. I will guide you through. And then next would be, we would be visualizing an English alphabet B. Then we would be visualizing an English alphabet A. And at that A level, I would say to you that you have to count reverse from 100 to 1. From 100 to 1, like with every second, you can say in 1 second, you can count 1, like 100, 99, 98, 97, like in this way. And with each number, you will be going deeper and deeper to that level. It may be like looking a bit confusing right now, but I will guide you through all those steps. But you have to keep your eyes closed. There is nothing like doing it wrong way. Like even if you are not able to follow the instruction properly, or you are having some doubt, still keep on doing it. Like there are no side effects. You will be doing it the right way. So don't just follow the instructions. Okay, right? Any doubt you can ask. Like otherwise we will start. Okay. Good. Yes. Ritvika, are you ready? Venkat Ratnam? Okay. Thank you. Okay, I am muting all the participants to decrease the noise level. Yes, thank you. Okay, so we are starting the meditation, C2A meditation. Please keep your eyes closed. First, sit in relaxed posture, and like you are having that much space that you can do Bhastrika. Okay, you are not touching your hands or fingers are not touching. Okay. Great. Please close your eyes. Focus on your breath. See the breath coming in and coming out. Just keep your hands in your lap and focus on your breath. See how the breath is coming in and coming out. Now we will start the first round of Bhastrika. Close your fingers and bring your hands near your shoulders. With the count of in, we will go up, and with the count of alphabet from A to Z, we will come down. Starting in, go up, A. In, B. In, C. In, D. In, E. In, F. In, G. In, H. In, I. In, J. In, K. In, L. In, M. In, N. In, O. In, P. In, Q. in R, in S, in T, in U, in V, in W, in X, in Y, in Z. Relax. Keep your hands in your lap. Feel the energy that is flowing through your body. Feel the new energy that is generated in your body. Take your focus on your breathing. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Keep a gentle smile on your face and see your breathing, how the breath is coming in and coming out. We will get ready for the second round of Bhastrika. We will bring our hands near the shoulders. In this round, we will count reverse from 26 to 1. Starting it in 26, in 25, in 24, in 23, in 22, in 21, in 20, in 19, in 18, in 17, in 16, in 15, in 14, in 13, in 12, in 11, in 10, in 9, in 8, in 7, in 6, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Relax. Keep your hands in your lap. Observe the energy flowing inside your body. Feel the new generated energy. Keep a gentle smile on your face and focus on your breathing. Observe the breath coming in and going out. We will start contracting all the muscles of our body. Starting from the forehead, you have to contract all the muscles of your forehead. Then contract all the muscles of your eyes and eyelids, your teeth. Clench your teeth with full force. Contract all the muscles. Contract all the muscles of your hands. Contract All the muscles of your legs, your calf muscles, your toes, contract with full force. Contract, relax. Relax your forehead, your face, your teeth, your arms, hands, your legs, your toes. Relax all the muscles. Second time, we will start contracting again, starting from your forehead, your eyelids, your teeth, your all facial muscles, your hands, your legs, your feet, your toes. Contract all the muscles that you can. Contract, relax. Relax your forehead, your face muscles, your hand, your feet. Relax. One more time, we will start contracting with forehead, eye muscles, teeth, your face muscles, arms, hands, legs, your toes with your full force. Contract with full force. Relax. Relax all the muscles, forehead, eyelids, face, arms, hands, toes. Relax all the muscles. Keep a gentle smile on your face and keep your focus on breath. See how the breath is coming in and coming out. With your eyes remaining closed, uproll your eyelids, uproll your eyeballs to 30-degree angle and visualize capital English alphabet C, white colored C. Visualize it 3 times. C, C, C. You are at sea level now. This level is of body relaxation level, body calming down level. Feel the muscles and skin of your forehead and relax all the muscles and skin. Feel the skin and muscles of your eyebrows and your eyelids. Relax skin and muscles of your eyebrows, your eyelids. Observe the skin and muscles of your face. Relax the skin and all muscles of your face. Observe the skin and muscles of your shoulders. Relax the skin and muscles of your shoulders. Observe the skin and muscles of your upper arms, elbows, and arms. Relax the skin and muscles of your upper arms, elbows, and arms. Observe the muscles and skin of your hands, your fingers. Relax all the muscles and skin of your hand, your fingers. Observe the skin and the muscles of your chest. Relax the skin and muscle of your chest. Observe all the muscles and skin of your abdominal area. Relax all the skin and muscles in your abdominal area. Observe the muscles and skin in your thighs. Relax the skin and muscles of your thighs. Observe the muscles and skin in your knees and in your legs. Relax the skin and muscles of your knees, your legs. Observe the skin and muscle of your feet, your toes. Relax all the skin and muscles of your toes and feet. Take your attention towards your feet, your legs, your knees, and your thighs. See how relaxed they are. They are so much relaxed as they are separate from your body. Observe your abdominal area, your chest area, your hands, your arms, elbows, forearms, your shoulders. See how much relaxed these areas are. Just like these are separate from your body. Your body is fully relaxed at this sea level. Keeping your eyes closed, uproll your eyes to 30-degree angle and observe English capital letter B, white colored B, 3 times. B, B, B. You are at B level now. This level is of brain relaxation. Observe all the sounds coming from your surroundings. That may be some noise, some voice of moving traffic, voice of some electric appliance. Accept all those voices and noises. Accept all the thoughts flowing through your brain. All these thoughts are coming and going, but you are not distracted. You are remaining calm. Thoughts come and go. Voices come and go. But your brain is relaxed. Your brain is at full level of relaxation. Keeping your eyes closed, uproll your eyeballs to 30-degree angle and observe English alphabet A, white colored A, 3 times. A, A, A. You are at A level now. At this level, feel that your body is going up from this earth. You are going towards the clouds. You are going inside the clouds. You are going above and above. Now you have reached a divine cloud, a white colored big divine cloud. You are stable sitting on this cloud now. You are much above the earth. The earth is revolving with its speed, but you are stable. Feel the divine air flowing on these clouds. Feel this divine air touching your face. Feel this divine air touching your hair. This divine air is bringing within you happiness. You are filled with positivity. All your tissues are filled with satisfaction. You are at a very healthy level of existence. At this level, you have to reverse count from 100 to 1. With each reverse counting, you will go to the deeper level of healthy existence. Till the next instruction comes, you have to count from 100 to 1 and then to remain at that level of healthy existence. Start counting reverse 100 to 1. relax. Once you complete the count, relax at that healthy level of existence. All the healings take place at this healthy level of relaxation. You are filled up with positivity, happiness, relaxation, and satisfaction. We will slowly move out from this level of relaxation with the count of 1 to 5. With the count of 1, 2, 3, slowly moving out to the normal level of existence. 4, 5, we will slowly start moving your fingers. Slowly start moving your fingers. Slowly raise your hands and start rubbing both your hands with each other. Start rubbing your hands so that these become a bit warmer. And place on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. How was your experience? Yeah. Thank you. You may share it actually. Whosoever wants to share. Abani Kumarji, you can unmute.
Hello.
Yes, sir. We can. Sir, you are mute again. Kindly unmute.
It is very interesting, sir. And
Thank you.
deep relaxation.
Okay. Were you able to do it? Were you able to follow?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And what you felt at level A, like?
It is totally deep calm. Calm.
Thank you. So what do you think, like before meditation, as I was asking you from level of 1 to 10, what was level before meditation and after meditation means now?
Sir, after meditation, I am telling, still I am feeling calmness and I am feeling that something is cool is surrounding my head. Still it is there.
Okay.
Although it is already 1 or 2 minutes. But
Okay.
and gradually when we count, it is our tendency to count from 1 to 100. But when we count from 100 to 1, we are going to a deeper state of relaxation. So I felt it. Really, I felt it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, sir. Then Ritvika, will you share? Please unmute.
Sir, it's very calm, sir. But I feel like I can see some thoughts in my mind again.
Okay.
but it really very calm. I feel like it's very like, and the mind is very peace and the calmness and everything. But some thoughts are there in my mind again. I can have, they're coming
Okay.
and going sometimes.
Okay. Like it is calm, but you were like still some thoughts were there. Or
Yes.
but
Yes.
what would you say like before doing before we started it at now? Like how much
Uh,
calmness?
yeah, I can give like around 7.
Okay. Before and after?
Before it was like 2. That's it, sir. Now it's, I can feel somewhat better. Yeah.
Okay. Before
Very,
it
very
was
good
2 and now
actually.
it is 7 on that rate of
Yeah,
1.
it's very good. Yes.
Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
Shrikant, yes, please unmute.
Yeah, it was good, sir. Only thing was that setting the 30 degrees, I was not able to not able to understand. So I set it above like that one. And as Ritvika said, thoughts were always coming, but some moment I was staying there, but I not able to release those thoughts. But you said it will just observe. So,
Yes.
but comparing is like will remain like that in state of bliss for at least for 5 minutes. You'll feel that difference, sir, in this meditation.
Great. Yes, it is like 30 degree. You have to observe, like you must have seen some postures in meditative Baba Nanak or some other Buddha, like their uprolled eyes is a state of meditation. Like these are meditative state. Like you have to see at this level. Like there is nothing wrong. Like you can go to 40 degree, 50 degree, or you can be at 20 degree. Like it's not that strict, but you have to see above that level, above this level, like as you are looking up, looking towards your like if there is a wall on your front and there is a clock, like you are looking at that clock just like that, but your neck is straight, like your neck is not tilted up, your neck is straight, but your eyes are looking in that state.
One more doubt, and for each step, it will increase, sir. Means that rolling for
Yeah.
each ABC is there, right?
Okay, no, you can keep it at same level also, and you can increase it also. But you have to, only thing is that you have to keep it above that level.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
And okay, thank you, Shrikant. And Venkat Ratnam, kindly please unmute yourself.
It was very calm, sir. After doing
Please, we are not like your voice is bit low.
it was very calm. After
Very calm.
doing,
Okay.
and I felt before doing it was 6. Now after doing this meditation, it was reached to 9.
Okay. Thank you. Like your voice is bit low, but yes, you are saying like you felt it nice. No, you felt it very calming. What you're saying? Yes. Thank you so much. So actually, this is the what we tried. Like this was a very scientific meditation, C2A meditation. It uh, takes you to a state of bliss. That the state we felt in that during the session. Like in C, we do the body relaxation. In B, we do the brain relaxation, and in E, like we are at a different level, healthy level. Uh, that we also that is a state in our brain waves also. Like these are different states in EEG. That waves during that meditative states, these have been proven to be a very healthy state of existence in which as Abhi Kumar sir were telling, like it can cure all your physical diseases also, and definitely it will help you in your mental state of balance, in your increasing your effectiveness, your efficiency. And with practice and with some advanced techniques, you can always remain in that state of bliss, that you felt during meditation, like with a split of second, you can reach that state. You can reach that state of bliss, and it is possible. Like, let me share my journey. Like, I completed my MBBS in 2010, and after that, like, with my professional journey, I started like studying these meditations, and I was so much thrilled, like, at that, with my education and with my profession as a doctor, I was able to do many tasks. Like, I cleared many, I tried like my different levels of intellect, in creativity also, and in like in different examinations, entrance examinations also. And now I am like, I am able to write 4 books in different genre. Like, you can search on Amazon. Like, there is one book is on polity, one book is on Urdu teaching, one book is that Shrikant read, that was 2020 on that was read during that was written during lockdown time, and that was related to mental health. And my recent book is Wheel of Spirituality, that is related to spirituality. So different genre, but still the books are top selling in their genre. So like in sports also, in cycling, in running, like in, if you do meditation, you can do lot number of things. Like, you are always energized, whether it is the morning time, whether it is the night time. So there are immense benefits. Like, you can grow professionally, you can like you can organize all your things, you can do good in your relationships, in your profession, your health wise, and of course emotion wise, and your mind wise. And you can always remain in that state of bliss that you found now. So that is possible. So actually, any question regarding this thing, or like what do you think? Okay, any question you may ask? Like, these all the steps that we did, these were very scientific steps, like the Bhastrika part, and these were organized in a scientific way, like how to reach in an organized way to a particular level. Yes,
Sir, my
Abhishek.
question is, sir,
Yes.
my question is, you are a doctor basically, but
Yes.
how you are writing in these different fields? That is very interesting.
Yes. So actually, I am a doctor by profession. Yes. So, but I like as I am telling you that meditation gives you that power. Like, I am just experimenting. Like, I am reading into that many things. Like, even into polity. Even I am learning new languages. I learned Urdu, and then I thought like it can be taught in a very easy way. Then I made a separate course of 2-hour course. You can see that on Unacademy. That is available free of cost on Unacademy website. Uh, and in that program, in that lecture, I won even national level prize also, teachathon. The competition was there, and I won first prize in 2 categories. So like, yes, that is the power of creativity that is given to you by meditation. Like, you can,
Sir,
it is
what are
channelizing
the
all your
courses?
energy.
What
Sorry?
are these courses? What are these courses available in Unacademy?
Sir, learn Urdu in just 2 hours. The name of the course is Learn Urdu in just 2 hours. Like, the challenge was to teaching in just 2 hours, and like thousands of people have learned through that course. It is still available. Like, you can go there. And sir, we are having that advanced course also of these things, like meditation, and like I am taking special classes also of this. We are having 3 modules. Let me show you one screen. 1 minute. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. So it is our advanced course. What we do the first, these are 3 modules. Like we do meditation. In meditation there are like C2A meditation. We learn it like how we can do it even in a split of second. Like if we can reach that A state in a split of second, and if we have like 1 hour or 30 minutes, then we can stretch it accordingly. That, like, it is highly customizable. You can do it in your office hours also, during travel also, and during your day-to-day activities also. Like there is nothing like you need separate type of clothes or separate type of environment. No, like you can always remain in that state of bliss. Like in that advanced course, we further discuss the different things, the different techniques, and the different science behind that, like how the separate parts, what is their scientific basis is there, and how you can customize according to your needs. Like if your need is basically to work on relationships, if your need is to basically prepare for an exam, like you can customize your meditation accordingly. And another two meditation, Sahaj is a very like you can immediately reach, that is another technique, Sahaj. And forgiveness is another type of meditation in which you clear all your mind of your past. Like sometimes we are having some grudges against someone, or we are not able to forgive ourselves also. Like these things are there. So that is a beautiful kind of meditation in which you have to you can simply free yourself from those emotions of your past, and you can reach that state of bliss. So that is the first module is about meditation, in which we do deeper into C2A, and then learn these 2 new meditations, Sahaj and forgiveness. And then is second module is about building strong relationships. That how with your family, with your professional friends, how you can build strong relationships and long lasting relationships. Means sometimes there are small problems that are causing that differences between your family members or between your friends. You are not able to like bound that much that is needed. Like with these techniques, these scientific techniques, how the mentality works, how you can build relationships. So these are very effective techniques. And third is personal health and efficient day routine. Like one is personal health, how you can keep yourself healthy, what are the things that you can eat, and how the exercise, what exercises you can do with the same time frame of 24 hours, how you can divide your time for your personal health, and at the same time you can make a efficient day routine in which you would be able to go through your professional and your that family life at the same time. Like there are different pillars, your personal health, your family life, your professional life. Like how to balance all these, how to give time to all these, and how to still have extra time in which you can do creativity and you can do some extra work. So in that module, third module, we cover these things.
What is the duration of time duration, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm in next slide. Yes, sir. This advanced course is 3 months duration. Sir. So 3 months. What we do 21 live sessions. As we are doing this live session, like these would be live sessions, no recorded one. We will be interacting one-to-one, and we will be taking all the doubts, and we will be teaching all the techniques, like what you can do. And it will be followed by 21-week follow-up. Like you have to apply those techniques, and we will be connecting time to time again, and we will be taking all your doubts, like what are the problems that you are facing. And as they say, like 21 days are enough to make a habit. Like yes, in first 20 live sessions, like we will make that habit, and then followed by 21 weeks we will live those habits. And like we will be having repeated sessions, and in those we will clear all those doubts. So previously, like before COVID, I used to take that live sessions, like physical sessions were there, and like thousands of people have attended those sessions. Like I was doing special sessions for universities and for business professionals. But after this corona, we have started these online courses, and these are also like now means people are getting benefit. A lot number of people are these courses have changed their lives.
Mhm.
Yes.
What is the cost, sir?
Yes, sir. So, sir, we are starting this in New Year. So, sir, during offline module, we were having like there are 3 modules, and we were taking 5,000 for each module, means making it total of 15,000. But now, sir, as it is online course, so we are it is much cheaper, and this one-time offer, sir, at this time we are offering it as at 4,999 for the whole 3-month course.
What is the next batch? When you will start it?
Sir, next we are starting it on New Year.
1st January.
Yes, 1st January we are starting it. Yes, sir.
Suppose in between that 3 months, I am in a journey or I have gone to some other places, then how do I can recover money? Yeah, how I can recoup it?
Sorry, I can't get you. Like, what the exact
Sir,
question is? During these 3 months?
Within 3 months, suppose I am traveling and I am going, so how I will get recoup it?
You will get recorded sessions, sir. Otherwise, it would be live session. Like if you like all the sessions would be recorded. Like if you miss it, you will get the recording. Even after attending it, you will get the recording. Like there would be recordings, but you can. We recommend that you should attend it live, so that you can ask your questions and you can interact directly. But still, if due to some traveling or due to some other commitments, if you have to miss it, like you will get the recordings and you can see that.
Okay. It's interesting.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
What will be
yes,
the timings? What will be the timings?
Yes, our timings we will keep it 5:30 to 7.
Morning.
Morning only, because so that one thing is that you can like getting up early, it has its own benefits, no? Like this is the at this time, like your mind is much creative and you can easily spare that time. You can easily cut your sleep by 1 hour and invest it here. Like in these 60 to 90 minutes, you would be more relaxed than the sleep of that minute. And plus you will be getting that much benefit. So we will be keeping that time. At that time, mostly otherwise also distractions are less and there are very less chances of missing that.
So this is like daily or a weekly basis sessions will be?
No, it would initial sessions. Those would be like nearly like 5 sessions in a week, you can say. Like depending upon, sometimes one session would be there and we would take break for 1 day. We will give assignments. Like after each live session, you would be given some assignments. Like assignments would be easy. Like you have to observe these things, you have to write these things, you have to observe your thoughts. Like there would be different assignments, very interesting assignments you have to do throughout your day. Sometimes the assignments would be for 48 hours. Like then after we will meet after 48 hours, but most of the times we will meet after 24 hours. You will be given after that session, you will be given like you have to do these things for next 24 hours or 48 hours.
Sir, I have a problem like 6 to 7 I will attend Zoom exercise thing. So today, as this is the webinar, so I attended 5:30 to 7. So can we timing can be changed like
preponing like 5 to 6?
Preponing, yeah, preponing.
Okay, we can discuss these according to the when we finalize the group, because I am having no problem at shifting it 5 to 6, but it will depend. Like mostly we keep it 5:30 because for some people 5 is very early, but still we can decide, like we can have a poll in the group, or like we can manage accordingly. If the people are ready at the time, like to 5 to 6, that we can do. But it will depend upon others.
If it is recorded also, not a problem for me. So I can go through like, so 6 to 7, I have this Zoom meeting for the, that's the reason. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Shrikant. Yes. Any other question? Venkat Ratnam sir and Ritvika. Any other question, sir?
No, sir. No, thank you.
Okay. So, if you are interested in joining, so I may give you a link, provide you with the link. Are you interested, Shrikant and Abhani, sir?
Yes, I am interested, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I am like for actually we have to do the payment part, na? Like for that you have to pay 4,999 so that we can that book your slot, na? Because there are limited slots and we are doing that thing. So I am in chat box. I am giving a GPay and that Paytm number. You can do either GPay or Paytm.
Okay. Okay.
Are you able to see that?
No, sir.
Yes, 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 yes.
Oh, okay.
It's
I
in the
will.
chat.
Okay, I will in chat. Okay, I will write it here also. 1 minute. Can you see it now?
Yes.
It is 987 277 3450. And yes. Once you do the payment, you can send me one screenshot and plus your details like name, age, city, this thing, these 3 things, and profession. Okay. Are you able to see it, Shrikant? Hello. Okay, you are mute now. You are on mute.
Yeah, yes, yes. I'm able to see.
Yes. Okay. Any other question from Ritvika? Abani Kumar sir?
Sir, I am paying. I
Okay.
am on
Okay. You are.
line, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. I got the message. Yes. Abani Kumar. Yes, Abani Kumar sir, I received the message from your side. Thank you so much. So I will be
Welcome.
adding you to that group, and
Yes, sir.
we will be starting from first. Thank you so much. And Shrikant, are you doing right now?
Yes, yes. It will take 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, sure. After that, you can send me that screenshot. Okay.
Sure.
Screenshot will be.
To
Yes.
the same number I need to send, right? Yeah.
Yes. You can
Yeah.
send to that.
I will
Yes.
I will do that.
Yes. Ritvika, are you doing? Hello. Okay. So
Sir, I will do it later, sir.
okay, right. You can send me screenshot after you are
Yeah.
done. Okay,
Yes.
so thank you so much, Shrikant, Ritvika, and all the participants, Ambani sir. So it was really good interacting with all of you, and I hope we will go on the journey further, and we will go deeper into this field of meditation. Okay, sir. Have a good time.
Yeah.
Have a
Thank you,
blissful
sir.
day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ji. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.